Should I continue, sir?
Yes, yes.
Conveyance charge for manager's debt to the city 500. Wages to cashier labor 1,500. Bus fare to workman sent to customers' premises 200. Stationery purchased 1,000. Send document to.
Wait. Okay. So these are the transaction which is done by petty cashier. Okay. And can you tell me by reading the question up to this, that which method is this? The simple system of cash book or impress system of cash book?
Simple.
Yes. Simple.
Yes, sir.
No, actually, it is not a simple system. You can see if you read the first line, a petty cashier in a firm received 15,000 as the petty cash impressed.
Okay.
So you have to see these things that is written in the question. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is impress system, and can you tell me something about impress system? That what is it?
Okay. Impress system.
Yes, impress system of cash book, petty cash book.
Did I just say, oh, okay, sir. It is, I don't know how to say it, but
Okay, okay. Impress system
fixed
is a
amount.
Yes.
No, sir. It is a fixed amount to petty cashier.
Okay, you are saying the theory.
Yes, sir. The one that you made me write.
No, so when I'm asking question from you, you don't have to see that theory.
No, sir. I did not see, sir. I remember.
Okay, you remember it?
Yes, sir. But I only remember the word fixed.
Okay, so impress system in which the main accountant, the senior accountant, gives a fixed amount in the beginning of every period to the petty cashier, and at the end of this specified period, the petty cashier submit the report to the senior accountant, and the amount expensed by him is reimbursed by the senior accountant, so that his amount, the amount in the hand of petty cashier, will become the same as in the beginning of the specified period.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so it is like that he receives, let's say, in this portion 15,000, and he expensed total 5,000 in a month, and he goes to senior accountant with his report, and after satisfaction, senior accountant will give 5,000 again to the petty cashier, so that the balance in his hand will become 15,000. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, try to solve this question. If you understand, if you remember that how to solve the question.
Okay.
Do you remember the concept?
I remember the
Actually,
format.
yes, format is the first part for solving the question. If you remember the format, I think you can solve 40% of the question. After that, there are some specific points that I told you while solving a question in previous class. We have solved a question for this.
No, sir.
I remember that I have solved a question for petty cash flow. Let me
can-
see. Yes. You can also see this. I have solved a question. Question number 15.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
this one. So now you have to solve this question.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes.
can you show me the format?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so finished, sir. Can you show me the question?
Have you completed?
Yes, sir. Last questions. Finished, sir.
Okay. So tell me your solution.
From the starting.
Yes.
So
You have
two
prepared the format. Yes.
yes, sir.
And to start with the transaction, the first thing you have written.
June 4th to cash amount received 15,000.
Okay.
Okay. Then June 4th by conveyance 500.
June 4th, in particular column, you have written amount received.
Yes, sir.
No, you should write to cash.
Yes, sir. To cash I wrote, sir. In the
Yes.
amount received column, I wrote 15,000, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
After that,
June 4th by conveyance 500.
okay.
June 4th by wages 1,500.
Okay.
June 5th by bus fare 200.
Okay.
June 6th by head office 400.
Actually, on June 5th, you have written bus fare. Yes.
Yes, sir.
It should be written as conveyance.
Conveyance.
Yes, the first thing, conveyance charge.
So we won't add that, sir.
No, no. On June 5th also, we will write conveyance charges.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we will not write by bus fare. We will write by conveyance charges.
Okay.
Okay.
June 5th by stationery 1,000.
Okay.
June 6th by head office 4,000.
By
400.
head office.
Sir, I thought of writing by post.
Yes, it will be by postage.
Okay, sir. Then June 6th by postage 1,000.
It will be by postage stamps.
Okay, sir.
Next.
Then June 7th by repair 400.
Okay.
June 7th by electricity 1,700.
Okay.
June 8th by wages 400.
Okay.
June 8th by taxi fare 500.
Again, this will be conveyance charges.
Okay, sir. June 8th by postage 1,000.
Yes, you have written registered post.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
June 8th by logs 800.
Okay.
June 8th by refreshment 200.
Okay. Total amount on the amount paid side.
Sir, I got 9,600.
9,600.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then.
And on the amount received side, I got 15,000.
Okay. So what will be the balance?
Oh, I did not see the. Oh, I did not minus the balance.
Actually, we have to calculate the balance also. I have done this. You can see the total is written here. And both side total is written as 5,000. You can see, and balance I have calculated here.
Yes, sir.
So you have to do this also. Please calculate the balance.
Okay, sir. 1 minute, sir. So I got 18,000, 80,100, sir. 8,000.
18,001.
No, sir, 8,100.
By totaling the amount paid side.
By totaling amount paid side? No, sir, by minusing amount paid side.
Okay, so amount received is 15,000. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And you have to deduct 9,600
15,000. Okay, sir.
from 15,000.
1 minute, sir. Oh, yes,
So
sir. I
which
got 5,400.
okay. So which amount you are using?
I used amount paid minus amount received.
So you will not get 8,100.
No, sir. No, sir. I actually only got 1,500, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you got the answer now.
Yes, sir.
5,400.
Yes, sir.
So this is our petty cash, simple petty cash. Now there is one more thing that we have to do in analytical cash. I told you there is two methods for preparation of cash book. One is simple cash book and second is analytical cash. Now I will teach you that how to prepare analytical cash. Okay. Okay. So this is our petty cash that I have prepared in our previous class. Now, in analytical cash book, what we have to do, we prepare simple petty cash book and then we prepare extra column for each type of expenses. Okay. How many column will be there?
1 minute, sir. Eight columns, sir.
Okay, so in this question, there is postage, stationery, traveling, miscellaneous expenditure, entertainment, repair, postage. Actually, postage is 2 times there. So six column we have to prepare in this question that I am sharing.
Okay.
Okay, so we will prepare 6 column. So two, three and 4. And 5 and 6. Okay. Now we have to write the name of each column. Okay, the first item name is postage. So we will write here postage. Then the second is stationery, so stationery. After that, traveling, so traveling. Then miscellaneous expenditure, entertainment, after entertainment there is a repair, so there is total 6 column here. Okay, now we have to write the amount of each expenses here given in the particular column in the related column for expenses. Like postage of 123 will go to postage. Is there any other postage in the portion? Yes, there is a postage here, 174. And there is a postage on this date, 483 also. Okay.
Okay.
After that, the stationery 321, we have created a column for stationery in second. So is there any other stationery? No. Then traveling, 126, traveling will go here. There is one more traveling, that is here, 673. After that, miscellaneous expenditure, 11. And again, it is here, 201. Okay.
Okay.
And after that, entertainment and repairs. So entertainment is 72 and repair is 1563. 1563, sorry, 7 it is. 67. And is there any other repair? Yes, repair is 30 here. So 30. Now we will total all these expenses in this separate column. So 4156, 697, 780. Here it will be 321. It will be 9, 9, and 7. Here it will be 212. It will be 72. And here it will be 1597. Now, the total of all these expenses should be equal to 3781. Okay. So let me check. Is there the thing correct? So first of all is 780. And after that 321 plus 799 plus 212 plus 72 plus 1597. So 3781. 3781. It is correct. So this is how we prepare analytical table for each expenses. Is this clear?
Okay.
Okay. So it is very simple that how to prepare analytical table. First of all, you have to prepare a simple petty cash. Okay. As we prepare, the first column is for amount received. Second is for cash folio. Third is for ledger folio. Fourth is for date, and then particular, voucher number, ledger folio, amount. So you will prepare the format as same as the simple petty cash book. After that, we will create a column for every expenses separately. Okay, so if there is 6 expenses, then we will create 6 column. If there is 8 expenses, then we will create 8 column. But you have to remember one thing for this, that uh, one type expenses, okay, the expenses which is same in nature, or their wordings are same. So in that case, you have to write those expenses in a single column. You will not write separately. Okay, like if you have sent something by courier, if you have sent something by Indian Post, then both of these are postage. Okay, it is not like that you will create a separate column for Indian Post and you will create a separate column for courier. Both of these expenses, nature is same, so you have to write these expenses in a single column. Like you have purchased books, you have purchased notebook, and you have purchased pen. So it is not that you will create separate column for pen, notebook, and book. Okay, so you have to write all these in a stationary column.
Okay, sir.
Okay, what about traveling? If there is any bus fare, auto fare, or any other fare is given, then
I'll put it in the conveyance.
yes, conveyance or traveling charges.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then entertainment and repair of machine, repair of any equipment, all of repairs will go to this section. So this is how we prepare a column for each expenses. Now, can you prepare a column, these type of column in your question that you have solved right now?
Yes, sir.
Because if you see the question, a petty cashier in a firm received 15,000 as the petty cash impressed on 4th June 2019. During the week, his expenses were as follows. So all the expenses is given, and there is a written here words, write up the analytical petty cash and draft the necessary journal entries for payments made. So you have to prepare analytical cash. I have told you that you have to solve it by simple petty cash book, but it is saying that you have to prepare analytical petty cash. So please try to solve this question that you have done right now through analytical petty cash. In the same answer, you will not change, or you will not prepare the simple petty cash book again. Okay, you have to add the additional columns only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please try to do that and tell me the total of each expenses.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So
Yes.
will postage almost. Sir,
Postage and stamps.
yes, sir. Do they have two different columns?
No, you can write them in single column.
Okay. Sir.
Yes, did it. Have you completed?
Yes, sir. I'm totally 1 minute. Finished, sir.
Okay. Tell me the total.
Total
Yes.
of every account.
Yes, every column.
Okay. Convenient,
Conveyance charges.
yes, sir. 1,200. Wages 1,900. Then stationery 1,000. Then postage 2,400. Repair 400.
Postage 2,400.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Okay, sir. One. Okay, sir. Then repair 400. Then electricity 1,700. Then logs 800. Then refreshments 200.
Okay. So yes, it is correct. So this is how we prepare our petty cash book in simple form or in analytical form. Okay. Now this is our all cash book. Okay. So single column cash book, double column cash book, petty cash book, in which we have studied simple and analytical petty cash book. Now, do you have any question in whole of the cash book concept?
No, sir.
Okay. Have you tried to solve any question and there is a little bit problem anywhere?
I haven't started doing questions of petty cash, sir.
Okay. So I told you that in my book, there is only 1 or 2 question for this petty cash book. So you have to solve these type of question from your own book because there will be more question in you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So please try to solve